आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, जमशेदपुर, पिट्सबर्ग, यूएसए। आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और इसमें जमशेदपुर में जो है और जो पिट्सबर्ग यूएसए में है। टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, मैनचेस्टर ऑफ द ईस्ट, अहमदाबाद। टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, ओसाका। देन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, आईटी, सिलिकॉन वैली, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सिटी, बेंगलुरु। Retrieve. Identify the products in the given images that you can buy in the market. Connect these products to the industry they are associated with. कौन सी इंडस्ट्री से एसोसिएटेड हैं ये जो पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं और कौन सी प्रोडक्ट्स आप बाई कर सकते हैं, ओके, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट। Manufacturing activity gained momentum after the Industrial Revolution in Europe in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी है वो उसने मोमेंटम कब पकड़ा? इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन यूरोप में जो हुआ था उसके बाद। However, while industrial development is still just beginning in some parts of the world, it is already well established in several others. वर्ल्ड के कुछ पार्ट्स में अभी भी जो इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट है वो शुरू ही हुआ है, लेकिन बहुत सारे पार्ट्स में वो क्या हो चुका है? वेल स्टैब्लिश हो चुका है। टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड सम इंडस्ट्रीज एंड जस्ट वेयर इंडिया स्टैंड्स ऑन द रोड टू इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट, लेट अस लुक एट सम कंपैरेटिव स्टडीज। और इसको समझने के लिए हमें कुछ कंपैरेटिव स्टडीज करने की ज़रूरत है। टेक्सटाइल्स, वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट इंडस्ट्रीज। आयरन एंड स्टील, द मोस्ट बेसिक इंडस्ट्री। अभी हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में ये पढ़ा था कि जो टेक्सटाइल्स है वो एक सबसे पुरानी इंडस्ट्री है और जो आयरन एंड स्टील है वो एक बेसिक इंडस्ट्री है। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, द इंडस्ट्री ऑफ द मोमेंट। आज की जो इंडस्ट्री है वो है इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। लेट्स रीड अबाउट द आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया। अब इंडिया में द इंडस्ट्री इन जमशेदपुर। द टाटा आयरन एंड स्टील company TISCO, now known as the Tata Steel Limited, अब उसका नाम क्या है? TISCO का Tata Steel Limited at Jamshedpur in Jharkhand is one of the largest in India in terms of output. Output के terms में ये सबसे बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है। A private sector enterprise established in 1907 at Sakchi in the Singhbhum district of Jharkhand. It is considered to have an ideal location. और ये एक प्राइवेट सेक्टर एंटरप्राइज है और इसको कहा जाता है कि इसका एक आइडियल लोकेशन है, आइडियल जगह पे लोकेटेड है। Sakchi was renamed Jamshedpur after Sir Jamshedji and Tata, who brought real economic development to the town. Let us examine the factors that prompted Jamshedji to set up an iron and steel plant here. और जमशेदजी टाटा ने आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट को यहाँ क्यों स्टैब्लिश किया था उसके बारे में आइए पढ़ते हैं। An easy supply of all the raw materials required for the plant from places located within a small radius in Chota Nagpur Plateau. छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू में इजीली जो रॉ मटेरियल्स हैं वो सप्लाई होते थे, बिल्कुल पास से जहाँ से रॉ मटेरियल्स आते थे। Iron ore from Mayurbhanj are Kendujhargarh in Odisha and Singhbhum in Jharkhand. Coking coal from Raniganj in West Bengal and Jharia coal fields in Jharkhand. देखिए रॉ मटेरियल्स कहाँ से अवेलेबल होते थे। Limestone from Gangpur in Odisha, manganese from Kendujhargarh. A highly developed transport network which connects the plant to Kolkata and other parts of the country through rail line and road, making it easy to bring in raw materials and dispatch finished steel products quickly and economically. अब जो हाईली डेवलप्ड ट्रांसपोर्ट नेटवर्क है वो इसको कहाँ से कनेक्ट करता है? कोलकाता से कनेक्ट करता है। तो ये इजी हो गया है बहुत ज़्यादा कि जो रॉ मटेरियल्स का लाना और फिनिश प्रोडक्ट्स का ले जाना मार्केट तक। नियरनेस टू द पोर्ट एट कोलकाता, कोलकाता के पोर्ट से नियरनेस बिल्कुल पास, दैट फैसिलिटेट्स एक्सपोर्ट्स, easy supply of electricity from coal-based thermal plants, its own thermoelectric plants and hydroelectric plants such as the Damodar Valley Corporation. फाइन चिल्ड्रन, ये सब फैक्टर्स थे जिससे कि जमशेदजी टाटा ने इसको वहाँ पे एस्टैब्लिश किया आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्री. Easy availability of workforce for the labor intensive industry from the dense local population in the surrounding areas and from the neighboring states of West Bengal and Odisha. Support at the time of establishment from both local and the British government in obtaining land. Local और British government से जो support मिला लैंड लेने में. Easy water supply from the rivers Subarnarekha and Kharkai. A guaranteed market for the products all over India. There has always been a big demand for steel products for the manufacture of machinery, tools, automobiles, locomotives and other goods. स्टील की जो डिमांड थी हमेशा से हाई डिमांड पे रहा है स्टील. The Tata Steel Limited plant has been expanded and modernized over the years. It produces pig iron, steel of various types and steel rods, billets, bars and sheets. ये सब produce होते हैं वहाँ पे. In fact, the plant amongst the best in the world. ये जो plant है ये पूरे world में best plant है. Now in the world, Pittsburgh, USA. अभी हमने जमशेदपुर में टाटा स्टील के बारे में पढ़ा, अब हम पढ़ेंगे जो वर्ल्ड में यूएसए में जो पिट्सबर्ग. पिट्सबर्ग इज कॉल्ड द स्टील टाउन इन द यूएसए. पिट्सबर्ग को क्या कहा जाता है? पिट्सबर्ग को कहा जाता है यूएसए में स्टील टाउन. फाइन. पिट्सबर्ग. इट इज लोकेटेड इन द पेंसिल्वेनिया स्टेट. ये पेंसिल्वेनिया स्टेट में लोकेटेड है. द सिटी इज लोकेटेड ऑन द कन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द एलेग्नी रिवर एंड द Monongahela रिवर. द ओहियो रिवर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस मीटिंग पॉइंट. Pittsburgh is a highly accessible place from the Great Lakes and the important trade route between east and the west. The Pittsburgh Lake Erie region has a number of industrial towns. अब Pittsburgh Lake Erie region जो है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे industrial towns हैं which have developed various engineering good industries depending upon the availability of steel from Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh became the iron and steel capital of the world. Pittsburgh क्या बन गया? Iron and steel capital of the world. A number of towns have developed around Pittsburgh such as Wheeling, Youngstown, Warren, Cleveland, etc. They also produce steel. The Pittsburgh Steel region gets its iron ore supply. अब कहाँ से मिलता है इसको iron ore supply? From the Mesabi Ranges via the Great Lakes and coal from the northern Appalachian coal fields. The steel mill in Pittsburgh started production as early as 1924. 1924 में इसमें यहाँ पे स्टील मिल जो है वो पिट्सबर्ग में स्टार्ट हुआ. Today most of the steel mills have become old and have closed down. The remaining steel mills are now along the river courses. The finished products from the steel plants in Pittsburgh are taken either by land routes or by lake routes to the market. इन सब routes से market में लेके जाया जाता है. A large number of factories in and around Pittsburgh use steel from the steel mills of Pittsburgh as raw materials for making railroad equipments, heavy machinery, agricultural implements, rails, military equipments, etc. Interpretation. The name of Great Lakes are, अब वो Great Lakes कौन से हैं? Superior, Huron, Ontario, Michigan and Erie. Superior Lake is the largest of these 5 lakes. सबसे बड़ी lake कौन सी है? Superior Lake. It lies high upstream than others. Now comes the textile industry. Textile industry involves the production of yarn and cloth apart from designing and manufacturing of clothing and their distribution. The raw material used by textile industries may be natural or synthetic fibers. अब जो textile industry में जो raw material use किया जाता है वो natural भी होता है और synthetic fibers भी होते हैं. This is a textile mill. In India, अब इंडिया में टेक्सटाइल मिल, मैनचेस्टर ऑफ ईस्ट किसको कहा जाता है? मैनचेस्टर ऑफ ईस्ट, अहमदाबाद is known as the Manchester of the East. Ahmedabad is among the 10 largest cities of India. Ahmedabad क्या है? Amongst the 10 largest cities of India. It is located in Gujarat on the banks of the Sabarmati River. The first mill was established in 1859. पहला जो मिल यहाँ establish किया गया वो कब establish किया गया? 1859. It is famous for its textile industry, which dates back to the 19th century when the city and the industry were established under the British rule. Ahmedabad is the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. मुंबई के बाद अहमदाबाद जो है वो second largest textile city है इंडिया की, and is referred to as Manchester of India. इसे Manchester of India भी कहा जाता है. Situated very close to cotton growing area, it ensures easy availability of raw material. ये कहाँ situated है? बिल्कुल cotton growing areas के पास, तो easily इसे raw material available हो जाता है. Ideal climate for shining and weaving, flat terrain and easy availability of land make it a suitable establishment for mills. It provides both skilled and semi-skilled labor. Well-developed roads and railway network permits easy transportation of textiles to different parts of the country, also providing easy access to the market. Mumbai port nearby facilitated import of machinery and export of cotton textile. अब जो मुंबई पोर्ट है पास में ही, उसने क्या फैसिलिटेट किया? इम्पोर्ट ऑफ मशीनरी और एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ कॉटन टेक्सटाइल्स. दो later due to issues in Ahmedabad textile mills, several mills closed down due to the emergence of new textile centers in the country, as well as non-upgradation of machines and technology in the mills of Ahmedabad. अहमदाबाद की मिल्स में अपग्रेडेशन नहीं हुआ मशीन्स का, टेक्नोलॉजी का, इसलिए बहुत सारी मिल्स बंद भी हो गई. एट प्रेजेंट 75 मिल्स आउट ऑफ टोटल ऑफ 120 मिल्स इन गुजरात आर लोकेटेड हियर. दिस इज द सिटी ऑफ अहमदाबाद. ओके, नाउ इन द वर्ल्ड, अब वर्ल्ड के बारे में पढ़ें. अगर हम टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, तो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री ओसाका. Osaka is an important textile center of Japan. जापान का एक important textile center है Osaka, also known as Manchester of Orient. Geographical factors facilitating the growth of the textile industry in Osaka are listed below. ये हैं कुछ geographical factors जिन्होंने इस Osaka textile industry की growth में help किया. The extensive plain around Osaka ensured that land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. The warm, humid climate is well suited to spinning and weaving. Spinning और weaving के लिए जो warm, humid climate है यहाँ वो बहुत suitable है. River Yodo provides sufficient water for the mills. Labor is easily available. The location of port facilitates the import of the raw cotton and for exporting of textiles. The textile industry in Osaka depends completely upon imported raw materials. जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री है ओसाका में वो completely किस पे डिपेंडेंट है? वो डिपेंडेंट है imported raw materials पे. Cotton is imported from Egypt, India, China and the USA. Though it is one of the important textile cities in the country of late, the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industries such as iron and steel, machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electrical equipments and cement. Now children, let us now examine how the textile industries in Ahmedabad and Osaka differ. अब हम कंपेयर करते हैं कि अहमदाबाद और ओसाका में जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री है इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है. हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज द मेन पावर resource for the textile industry in Ahmedabad, but the one in Osaka uses coal. अहमदाबाद में तो मेन पावर रिसोर्स क्या है? हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, लेकिन ओसाका में कोल यूज़ किया जाता है पावर के लिए. अहमदाबाद lies in the cotton growing area and has its own source of raw material, but Osaka needs to import cotton from USA, India, China, Egypt and Sudan. अहमदाबाद का जो ये टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री है वो वहाँ लोकेटेड है जहाँ पे कि रॉ मटेरियल का सोर्स है, बिल्कुल पास से ही मिलता है रॉ मटेरियल, लेकिन ओसाका को इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है कॉटन यूएसए, इंडिया, चाइना, इजिप्ट और सूडान से. Ahmedabad has a skilled and semi-skilled labor force, but Osaka has a highly skilled and qualified labor force. यहाँ difference है. The finished goods from the textile mills of Ahmedabad are mainly supplied to the domestic market. जो finished goods हैं textile mills के अहमदाबाद के, वो किसको सप्लाई की जाते हैं? डोमेस्टिक मार्केट में. On the other hand, Osaka exports most of its products to the international markets of Asia and Africa. Spinning and weaving in Ahmedabad are done in separate sections in the same industrial unit, but in Osaka, spinning and weaving are done in separate industrial units. Fine. This was a difference. Now, information technology, IT. The information technologies industry deals in the storage, processing and distribution of information. The IT industry has become a global phenomenon in modern times. Modern times में जो IT industry है वो एक global phenomenon बन चुका है. Many technological, political and socio-economic events are responsible for this. Resource availability, cost and infrastructure are the main factors fueling the growth of this industry. Bengaluru in India and the Silicon Valley in California are the major hubs of IT industry. We will now study how information technology has flourished in India and the world. अब दोनों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, इंडिया में भी और वर्ल्ड में भी कैसे इस IT ने फ्लरिश किया. In India, electronic city Bengaluru. Bengaluru is situated in the Deccan Plateau from where it has got the name Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru को Silicon Valley of India कहा जाता है. Bengaluru being the information capital of India, many IT companies have set up their offices here. Bengaluru में बहुत सारे IT companies ने office set up किए हैं due to the availability of faculty members and IT experts. For example, IBM, Hewlett Packard, Infosys, etc. The city of Bengaluru, which is also called the Garden City of India, Bengaluru को Garden City of India भी कहा जाता है, has a pleasant climate all the year round, which supports the development of software industries. Today, 18 software technology parks have been developed in India, mainly in the cities of Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad and Kolkata. What exactly makes Bengaluru such a favored destination of the IT industry? क्यों ये बेंगलुरु इतना favored destination है IT industry के लिए? The biggest strength is a huge supply of high quality, low cost engineers, many of them with global experience. Bengaluru alone produces about 25,000 software and computer science engineers every year. Wages here are 1/5 of that in the USA. USA से 1/5 तो wages दे दिया जाता है engineers को. Foreign companies that shift operations to India report nearly 60% savings. The standard of education is already high and rising rapidly to meet the standards of the new internet economy. Schools, colleges, institutions such as IIMs, IITs and IIS and many computer training centers prepare students for the highly competitive work environment. Besides foreign investment from international IT companies, Bengaluru has its own venture capitalists, its local businessmen. Bengaluru is excellently connected by road, rail and air networks to all the parts of country. The climate and land both attract a large working population. वहाँ का climate, वहाँ का land जो है वो attract करता है working population को, लोग वहाँ जाना पसंद करते हैं. The standard of living here is among the best in the country. पूरी country में, हमारे पूरी country में जो बेंगलुरु में standard of living है, that is the best. Government support in working out the problems that stand in the way of growth has helped the industry here. Bengaluru was the first city in India to get free Wi-Fi hotspots. Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagar Palike or BBMP planned to introduce 4,000 free Wi-Fi hotspots or Wi-Fi zones, giving wireless broadband internet connectivity to all parts of the city. Now, in the world, अब world के बारे में, Silicon Valley. Considered the birthplace of the IT industry, the Silicon Valley lies in the Santa Clara country of state of California. ये माना जाता है कि जो बर्थ प्लेस है IT इंडस्ट्री का वो कहाँ से है, सिलिकॉन वैली में हुआ था. The Silicon Valley is the area 30 to 40 miles south of San Francisco, radiating outward from Stanford University. The Silicon Valley encompasses the adjacent cities of Palo Alto, Menlo Park, Redwood City, San Carlos, Los Altos, Mountain View, Sunnyvale, Cupertino, Santa Clara, Campbell and San Jose. During the 1940s and 1950s, Frederick Terman, the Dean of Engineering and Provost at Stanford University, encouraged faculty and graduates to start their own companies. अपनी companies शुरू करने के लिए encourage किया था faculties और graduates को. He supported various firms and soon Silicon Valley grew around the Stanford campus. और Stanford campus के आसपास Silicon Valley ने grow किया. Because of the initiatives of Frederick Terman, he is often called the father of Silicon Valley. उनके इस effort के कारण उनको father of Silicon Valley कहा जाता है. The Silicon Valley's growth as a hub of IT took pace gradually. धीरे धीरे हुआ growth. During the 50s, a number of defense projects were started here. At the same time, the semiconductor industry came up in this region. In this industry, silicon was used as a semiconductor. By selectively of silicon chips began in the semiconductor industry. Factors that led to the development of Silicon Valley. अब Silicon Valley का development किन factors के कारण हुआ? Institutional leadership of Stanford University innovations made due to new technological knowledge. A large pool of skilled engineers and scientists from major universities in the area. Then generous funding from an assured market and defense department. Development of an efficient network of venture capital firms. AI facts. AI is revolutionizing the steel sector by opening up diverse opportunities for business optimization and improve efficiency. Now children, the spot inspect. Write the full form of TISCO. The full form of TISCO is Tata Iron and Steel Company. So write down here Tata Iron and Steel Company. Fine. What is the location of TISCO? It's in Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur. Which river has helped the textile industry in Ahmedabad? The Sabarmati River. It's the Sabarmati River. By what other name is Osaka known? Osaka is known as the Manchester of Orient. Okay. Who has been the information capital of India? Bengaluru has been the information capital of India? Bengaluru. Fine, children? Now, the catalog. Information technology, the technology of storing, processing and distributing information. Silicon, a non-metallic element belonging to the carbon family in the electronic industry used as a semiconductor. Software technology parks, specific regions where technology for the IT industry is developed, processed and made available. The venture capitalists, investors prepared to provide finance for the development of new technology or enterprise in spite of the risks involved. And emergence, the fact of something becoming known or starting to exist. Now a look over to this chapter. Manufacturing activities gained momentum after the Industrial Revolution in Europe. TISCO is one of the largest in India in terms of output. Ahmedabad is the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. Osaka in Japan is called the Manchester of the Orient. Silicon Valley is a hub of IT. Bengaluru is popularly called the Silicon Valley of India. Now children, let's do the estimation corner. Few exercises to do. Choose the correct option. The finished products of Jamshedpur are exported through the ports of Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kandla. Through Kolkata. Okay. From which of the following countries does Osaka import raw cotton? Canada, Russia, Australia, India. From India. Dash is known as Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Jamshedpur, Hyderabad. Bengaluru. Dash is named after late Jamshedji Narsivamji Tata. Ahmedabad, Delhi, Bengaluru, Jamshedpur. It's Jamshedpur. The Pittsburgh Steel region gets its iron ore supply from Mesabi Ranges, Himalayan Ranges, plateaus, none of these. From Mesabi Ranges. Okay. Now children, let's do fill in the blanks. Jamshedpur was earlier known as Dash. It was earlier known as Singhbhum. So write down Singhbhum here. Fine. Osaka is an important textile center of Japan. It's an important textile center of Japan. The Dash industry has become a global phenomenon in modern times. The IT industry. Dash was called the Manchester of the East. किसको बोलते थे Manchester of the East? Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. Fine. Ahmedabad. Bengaluru is also called the Silicon Valley of India. It is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Ahmedabad is located on the bank of कौन से river के bank पे है Ahmedabad? It's located on the bank of Sabarmati. The Dash and Dash rivers in the Jamshedpur region ensure regular supply of water. The Kharkai and Subarn Rekha rivers. Fine. Now let's move further. And now children, let's do some true false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Pittsburgh is called the steel town in the USA. Yes, true. Ralph Barsht is often called the father of Silicon Valley. No children, this is false. Tata Steel Limited is located in the state of West Bengal. False. Bengaluru was the first city to get free Wi-Fi hotspots. Yes, बेंगलुरु को पहली सिटी थी जिसको फ्री वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट्स मिले थे. ट्रू. सिलिकॉन वैली इज सिनोनिमस विद द आईटी इंडस्ट्री. यस, ट्रू. Gurugram is the main hub of IT in India. False. Pittsburgh is a major center of steel. Yes, true. Okay children, So here we end up with the chapter, and just go through the chapter. फिर से पढ़िए chapter को and you will understand it more and keep learning. We'll meet soon with a new chapter. Till then, have a great time. Bye. Stay blessed.